A fairly common problem among pastors is something known as imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome, by definition, is a psychological phenomenon characterized by persistent feelings of inadequacy, self doubt, and a fear of being exposed as a fraud despite one's achievements. I've had quite a few pastors share with me that they have struggled with imposter syndrome, and I know I have struggled with it in the past myself. But here's the big problem with imposter syndrome: it can become a tremendous distraction from our very important responsibility to preach the fullness of God's word. And from counseling pastors over the years, I see imposter syndrome in three primary categories. And that would be the category of sin, the category of insecurities, and the category of failures. And the sin category says, how can I preach this message to others when I struggle with this myself? The insecurities category says, if these people only knew who I really am, they would never let me get up here and preach to them. And the failure category says that my past failure disqualifies me and I can never minister again. And this one's similar to the sin category, except in this category, your sin has been publicly exposed and you've been dismissed from ministry for a season. And now you feel like people will always view you as an imposter because of your past failure. Listen, imposter syndrome is a lie from the enemy, and our Father does not want us to struggle with it. So in these next three videos, we're going to take a look at each one of these categories and see what it's going to take to overcome imposter syndrome, put it in our past, and never struggle with it again.